What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we are at the car culture event down in the Galleria River Oaks area. Apparently this one's going to be pretty crazy, a lot of cool stuff confirmed. Unspeakable's going to come, and the Hamilton Collection's Pagani Huayra Roadster is supposed to be here as well. So we're going to walk around, see what shows up, and I don't think there's any sends in this one, but we'll just enjoy ourselves.
I followed this guy in here, bro. Seeing the Supra and the Aventador in the same color on the road, that must have made some people's days, because just following it made my freaking year. One day we'll be rolling in the V12 Lamborghini. So before things get too crazy, Mr. Big Money Rafa is back from Car Week, brought out the Hennessey Venom F5. First time I got to see this one, brought his Senna, and then there's two 765 LTs right there. But this is like the pinnacle of American built machinery. All American Hennessey Venom F5. Doors up, baby. That's crazy. For the streets. That's awesome. I wish I could have been in the show this morning, but you know, I was in Dallas yesterday and I wasn't too sure if I was gonna make it. So I'm like a last minute, I'll go to this meet kind of guy. And that's sadly just not how they roll. While we're waiting for the Pagani to arrive, we can check out the two C8 Z06s at today's meet. One with the Lil Wang option and one with the big old Wang option. You know what I'm going with, but apparently powered by Hennessey. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. This thing twin turboed already? I guess we'll have to see when he leaves. What do y'all like more, the body kitted Mark IV Supra or the big power Mark IV Supra? Both are pretty cool, but there can only be one. Little Jimmy set off the Gallardo car alarm. Oh no! Keep your kids on a leash. I didn't even notice this STO. We're just chilling here. Black and red with the silver wheels. And then I've also never seen an STO do this either. He's popped trunk with a little kickstand thing. That's pretty unique. All the way from California. Oh boy, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. There she is. The Huracan Technia. Showstopper. Oh yeah, and then that's here too. So this is the Hamilton Collection's Huayra Roadster, and for some reason it has wound up in Houston, Texas, driven by the man himself, Unspeakable. Maybe he's thinking about adding one to the collection. That is crazy.
If you're watching this, anybody at the Hamilton Collection, I know the P1 isn't your favorite, but you can ship that thing down to Texas. I'll give it a little drive for you, because the P1 is my favorite of the hypercars.
You know, just if you're feeling generous. Literally a rolling work of art.
Man.
Dang, he could park that thing better than I could park the Supra. Crazy. Drawing the biggest crowd right now.
Coming this way. Come on guys, give him some room. Give him some room.
Here we go. And if one Minecraft YouTuber wasn't enough for y'all today, we got two here. This one's actually, it's Moosecraft's 6x6 Gladiator. That's wild. This thing is nicknamed the Apocalypse, and I can see why. We've journeyed down to the underground to check out one of the subscribers. It's a BRZ, and man, it's like the mint green wrap, the sick wheels of the Brembos. This color is like one that I've been wanting to try. Oh man, he said he got it because he watched the breakdown of the Blue Bunny. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of you, bro. I'm so proud. That's so sick. Congratulations. So while this meet is going on, it is also Pokemon Go Fest. So we're trying to get some Mega Rayquaza raids in. Hopefully other people are just like me and addicted to this game still, like 6 years after it came out. So we'll see.
All right, let's see what's over here in the Overflow lot.
That's a pretty cool GTR. I haven't seen that one before. On the BBSs. That looks sick. Then we got our boy Atif's Mercedes, wide body and wrapped in the Apocalypse wrap. We got some Nissans. This is a cool color. I like that. Got the Supra, and I don't know what color to call this, like blue gold. Pretty cool. McLaren GT, GT3, and another C8. We got the baby blue candy paint dripping on us. This is like the same color as the Supra. I don't know what to call this. I wouldn't say it's a donk. The wheels aren't big enough for it to be a donk. I don't know. What is this technically called? It's not a lowrider. It's not a slab. It's not a donk. What is it? That's a lowrider if I ever seen one. That man's laying frame. We got another wide body FRS. The rainbow wrap. Got the Mustang Mach 1. Looking good. Got a Hellcat wide body. And our boy Marinex Lambo in his new Urus. That is quite the color, and I love it.
Yeah.
And then we got this guy. He took the trend where you make your car look like a cartoon and brought it to real life. What do you guys think about that? Let's just take a moment to appreciate the level of MSO this car has. The spec on the seats is a bit questionable, I may say, but I mean, I think the reverse color on the seats is like a tribute to something, but the full exposed blue carbon McLaren 765 LT MSO'd out to the brim. I don't exactly know who owns this one, but I mean, it's crazy. Even got MSO in a different color carbon fiber on the wing. The interior is just crazy. The flip color on the seats. Hot diggity dog, that is sick. Alright, the cars are starting to head out here. That means we should go find our place on the corner, see what goes on. Tesla took the dub. It's the Ferrari Prius. The Ferrari XD. Yeah. That's all Porsche should sound.
Go.
Rev it! Goes my boy. It's a random Aventador. Okay, okay. Skirt, skirt. Unspeakable, a troll, for real, man. And then the center went the other way. Come on now.
Want to?
Rip, bro. The hypercar owners ain't for the people. Nasty.
Their mating call.
Mustang owners. We got Moose in the 6x6. A Helosaurus.
How are we gonna get across?
was pretty fun. Car culture, River Oaks, success, saw some cool cars, got some sends. I hope you guys liked it. We're gonna head out and enjoy the rest of the day playing Pokemon Go Fest 2023. If you did like this video, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's hit 200,000 subscribers, and I'll see you in the next video.